Hello! Today we'll prepare a delicious and especially healthy dish. We need the following ingredients: 3 eggs, some chopped Chinese onion, some diced peppers, some spinach, some diced tomato, some grated cheese and diced cheese, pinched hot pepper, pinched salt, and finally, a little oil. First, for sauteing the vegetables, we add a little oil to the pan. Then, I'm going to take our Chinese onions, spinach, tomato, and peppers. We add them into the pan. Now we add a pinch of salt and hot pepper. We cover it and let it cook. Then we take it to a plate. Now, to prepare the omelette, we'll crack the eggs. And we're going with them. Okay, I'm add a pinch of salt and hot pepper. We add a little oil to the pan. Now let's pour our egg mixture. Then I'm going to add the spinach mix to half of this. And then we add a lot of cheese. I like it that way. We cover it for about a minute to 2 minutes and then we'll check on it. Now I took the cover off just to check the consistency. You don't want the egg to look runny in any spot. Then I get my spatula under and I flip it over like that. Now I'm going to cover it for a minute. Now let's serve. Finally, our spinach and cheese omelette is finished.